Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. It's the final showdown as Arnett Gardens and Portmore United set to bring the curtains down on the Restaurant Premier League season at the National Stadium tomorrow night.
After being beaten by Montego Bay United in the 2016 final, Portmore United will be looking to make amends on Monday night. But they will have to overcome a spirited and confident Arnett Gardens contingent.
This time we want to go one better by winning the league this year, and we are in the final, so we have that chance again, that opportunity to be a champion.
Having lifted the title in 2015, Captain O'Neill Bigger Thompson cannot wait to get his hands on the trophy once again, but he knows they must get the job done on the field.
We'll have to decide that on Monday. I won't sit here and tell you that after 90 minutes Arnett will lift the trophy, because you must respect whoever you play against. So we will come on Monday and work very hard and try to lift the trophy.
And with striker Fabian Reid in red-hot form, Arnett has a man who is pumping in the goals. He has scored in all the knockout games.
A striker want to know that he has some defence that will keep him in the game. Likewise, defenders want to have a striker who will give them the game, and so far it has been great for us, and we hope he will continue on that part come Monday.
Portmore do not have a Fabian Reid, but they're getting goals from around the park.
When you look at it, a team would sometimes want to shut out a one player, who's scoring goals. But then when you have 4 or 5 players scoring, it's very difficult to shut out all 5 players. So that's really good for the team, and I hope come Monday, we can get some from the players.
The 12th man, the fans, are expected to be out in their numbers, with Arnett responsible for a greater portion.
It's always great to have supporters, but Portmore, I think, have a lot of experience where it comes on to the crowds. There are people who have been campaigning for a while, so some of the time you have to ignore the crowd and focus on the field. So not everybody the crowd will work against.
It don't make sense you have a final and the stadium is half empty. We want the stadium to run jam, pack with Arnett supporters and Portmore support. I don't know where they're coming from, but even if we get some of Arnett support, that would have really good for Portmore.
Both teams met 3 times so far this season with a win apiece and 5 goals each.